Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is an ad campaign in Meta, right? As you can see, I am into my ads manager. Here are three options. First one is of campaigns, second one is of ad sets, and third one is of ad creative, right? Now what is an ad campaign, right? Whenever we click on create, it asks me about the campaign objective, why I want to run the ad, right? I want my business awareness among people. I want traffic on my website or get calls from people regarding my business, right? I can get inquiries from messages as well. I can get people filled form, right? And I can also promote my app using this objective, and the another one is of sales. If I'm running an e-commerce website, then I can run a sales ad campaign. So whatever the objective is, I have selected traffic for example, and let me continue. Then it is asking me whether you want to design a campaign manually or whether you want to use the recommended settings. So I'm going to design my campaign manually, and I will click on continue. Now as you can see, here is the campaign. An ad campaign comprises of multiple ad sets as well as single ad set, right? So in this scenario, in this ad campaign, there is a single ad set, and the single ad set have a single ad creative. So you can understand in such a manner, like ad campaign have an ad set and ad set have an ad creative, right? So you can also make multiple ad set in a single ad campaign for many reasons, right? That we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos. Apart from that, you can also create multiple ad creatives in a single ad set as well. So like campaign is all about running ad campaign for your business for different objectives, and it comprises of ad sets, and ad set comprises of ad creatives. That's it. If you want to learn meta advertising in detail, you can check our video description. You can click on the website link mentioned over there, and you can visit our website, explore our course, and directly purchase our digital marketing course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.